Fans and general audiences all over have at least heard the iconic trilling of the Predator and recognize it. It's an iconic sound effect that would be easy to expect to come from some animal that the sound designers recorded, similar to the Tyrannosaurus Rex in Jurassic Park. The truth is that sound of the Predator came from the talented vocals of Peter Cullen. Peter Cullen is most famous for providing the voice of Optimus Prime in the Transformers franchise for decades across film, television, and games. I didn't even know that.